Today, I'm going to show you how to insert and modify images in Microsoft Word step by step so you can quickly add pictures to your documents and make them look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. Whether you're creating a report, a school project, a flyer, or a business document, knowing how to work with images in Word is a really useful skill. And the best part is, it's simple once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and computer tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add your image. Once you're inside your document, look up at the top menu and click the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps all the tools for adding different types of content, including tables, shapes, icons, and of course, pictures. After clicking Insert, find the Pictures button. When you click it, Word will give you a few different options for where to get your image from. You can choose a picture from your device if you already have one saved on your computer. You can also choose stock images if you want professional-looking built-in images from Microsoft, or you can insert images from online sources depending on the version of Word you're using. If your image is saved on your computer, select this device or the equivalent option, then browse to the folder where your picture is stored. Click the image you want, and then hit Insert. The image will now appear inside your Word document. Now that your image is inserted, let's talk about modifying it. Click on the image once to select it. As soon as the image is selected, Word will reveal a new tab at the top called Picture Format. This tab is important because it gives you all the tools you need to edit the image directly inside Word. From the Picture Format tab, you can resize the image by dragging the corner handles. If you want to make the image bigger or smaller, always try to use the corner handles so the image keeps its original proportions and doesn't look stretched out. You can also crop the image if you only want to show part of it. To do that, click Crop in the Picture Format tab and then adjust the edges until the image looks the way you want. Cropping is very helpful when you want to remove extra space around a photo or focus on a specific area. Another useful option is adjusting the image's appearance. Word lets you change brightness, contrast, color, and other visual settings so the image matches the style of your document better. If the picture looks too dark or too bright, you can make quick corrections right inside Word without needing any other software. You can also use styles and effects to make the image stand out more. Depending on your version of Word, you may see options for borders, shadows, reflections, and other visual effects. These can help make your document look more polished and visually appealing. If you need to move the image around the page, you may also want to change how it interacts with the text. Word usually places images in line by default, but you can use text wrapping options to position the picture more freely. That makes it easier to place an image beside a paragraph or in a more exact part of the page layout. So the process is really just two main parts. First, go to Insert, click Pictures, and choose the image source you want. Then click the image itself to bring up Picture Format, where you can resize, crop, and adjust the picture until it looks perfect. Once you get comfortable with these steps, inserting and editing images in Microsoft Word becomes very fast and easy. It's one of the best ways to make your documents more engaging and professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, beginner computer guides, and simple productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.